Hola y bienvenidos al canal. Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I bring you a vocabulary video. Today we're going to have a look at some food and drink vocabulary in Spanish. So without further ado, let's go ahead. Uvas, grapes. Oh, by the way, I'm not putting the English off the words because I'd rather you learn it visually with a Spanish word without thinking or trying to translate. Because if you learn it this way, it'll be far quicker and yeah, you will know instead of trying to translate all the time. If you learn it with the visual image, it'll be easier. Or so I think. That's how I learned English. So I hope this helps you too if you take it on board. So I'm just going to say the word and then again, you can repeat this video, you can pause it, you can rewind it. Yeah. So I'm just basically going to run through them. Then you can pause the video, try to learn them, and then I will show one at a time and I'll put the answers underneath. So I'll let you guess before. So yeah, hopefully this is of help and you can keep repeating the video until you know them all and you pronounce them perfectly fine. So without further ado, I'm just going to continue saying the words. Sorry for the intrusion. So let's start again. Uvas, grapes. Okay, uvas, sandía, naranja, and limón. Okay, repeat them all over again. Uvas, sandía, naranja, limón. Now's the time to pause the video and learn them. If you didn't, and you know them all, try and guess. Okay, so the first one, uvas. Second one, sandía. Third one, naranja. And fourth one, limón. Did you guess them all? I hope you did. Let's go and have a look at a few more. Plátano, piña, manzana, and pera. I repeat, plátano, piña, manzana, and pera. If you don't know them, pause the video. If you do know them, try and guess them. Plátano, piña, manzana, pera. Okay, brilliant. That's supposed to be a peach. Doesn't really look like a peach to me, but it's a peach. Okay? Okay, so melocotón. Okay, very hard. I'll just repeat again. Melocotón. Fresa, arándanos, arándanos, and tomate. I repeat one more time. Melocotón, fresa, arándanos, tomate. Again, if you don't know them, pause the video, try to study them a little, and then try and guess them. The peach. Melocotón, fresa, arándanos, tomate. Okay, another four. Aceituna, one of my favorites. Aceituna, aguacate, berenjena, patata. I repeat one more time. Aceituna, aguacate, berenjena y patata. Okay, very good. Again, pause the video here if you want to learn them, or if you already know them, try and guess them. Aceituna, aguacate, berenjena. Oh, that's an aubergine, by the way. Okay, berenjena and patata. Very good. zanahoria, okay, zanahoria, lechuga, lettuce, lechuga, brócoli, and cebolla, onion. I repeat them all over again. Zanahoria, lechuga, brócoli, and cebolla. Again, if you know them, keep going with the video. If you don't, then stop it and try and learn it, or watch the video over and over again and repeat until you get them. So, zanahoria, lechuga, brócoli, cebolla. Very good. And here we have seta, pan de molde. This is what English people call bread, just bread. And the baguette and all the like sourdough bread or all those kind of things, we will call it pan. Okay, that's just like a little difference. So yeah, okay. And then meat is carne in general, any meat. Okay, carne. Okay, so seta, pan de molde, pan, and carne. Okay, so guessing time. Seta, pan de molde, pan, and carne. Very good. Bacon. This sounds exactly like bacon, but bacon. Recently, kind of recently, the word bacon as the way you would write it in English has been accepted in the Spanish dictionary. So even if you write down bacon as you know it, is valid. So bacon, hamburguesa, so hamburguesa, patatas fritas, what you call fries, patatas fritas, y pizza. Very easy. Okay, one more time. Bacon, hamburguesa, patatas fritas, y pizza. Let's go into try and guess them and see if you get them right. Bacon, hamburguesa, patatas fritas, pizza. Very good. Perrito caliente. Okay, I repeat one more time because this is kind of hard, long one. Perrito caliente. Sandwich, sandwich. Huevo, egg, huevo. And ensalada. Okay, repeat one more time, a little bit faster. Perrito caliente, sandwich, huevo, ensalada. Your turn. Perrito caliente, sandwich, huevo, ensalada. And the last one with some of the best food and drinks. So we have helado, ice cream, any ice cream, helado, galleta, cookie, galleta, café, vino, wine, and cerveza. I repeat a little bit faster, and then it's your turn. Helado, galleta, café, vino, cerveza. Your turn. Helado, galleta, café, vino, cerveza. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the emojis from this video, they're from an open library. You can have a look at it. I totally recommend it. Not a sponsor, not anything, but I thought they were really cute. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to make more videos like this, that it's only vocabulary and you kind of have to guess at the end when I've showed you what vocabulary it is, please let me know in the comment down below. Give it a thumbs up however way you want to, let me know and I'll make more like this. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye. Adios.